How be about Tech In Twi so IMS and then this morning and share Jumadi so. Ye cryptocurrency videos be pre our channel way so. Now mostly na kwa Binance. Any video we know we be introduce Fairdesk a new cryptocurrency platform trading fees na den our form pa. And now ye him say adebi bamuna omo ye office bi say de nipa dodo na den pepa channel no so be brave. Enti me pesa me the Fairdesk for besie mo. Enti ne video e be a video about Fairdesk and the kwan a obetimi afa so trade e wo Fairdesk. Minim say ni padodo na afi na ya ho Fairdesk enti say o person download the Fairdesk o use Android abeko Play Store use iPhone abeko App Store no ko download the Fairdesk that's FAIRDESK ko download the App Store and Play Store. Okay, into download the Fairdesk we are Fairdesk no the registration na yet the register Fairdesk na we the Fairdesk na app na want to mo Fairdesk na so Fairdesk that's Fairdesk Go. TBB interface numbers, that's nice interface. Okay, and what when you say I no, you say your trading pace be brave Fairdesk. I'll back down up trading pace ne door so GMT that's AP live trading pace ne door so be brave and now omukusua omo add more trading pace account. So many can catch us platform say about omo tete omo jeja omo no to run promotion to pay to me nya rewards be brave sa Fairdesk we I am your registration and we no deposit ubo deposit ne so no be your deposit to bit me transfer every Binance and about Fairdesk and I say ubit me use credit card den e dey ato nti ubo mo no so e buy crypto na one kasano ubehu how between your first wide I use credit card and I say other payment gateway behind them. Team they are talk crypto. Into what talk crypto na we no bet sure what they be have. No say oba me asset here that's me wallet ne and what has say no. Into overview already you can videos be about crypto into me say overview no what I say and now wallet what I say. Into Uber wallet USDT me 100 USDT and now ba accounter me woska ewo me margin account nim that's margin account ni de me di be trade ti sia no nti ma shede push $19 ayden e di kom sia 2% push ya oba transfer to Saturday bia me sure no obu USDT na USDT contract account and hono wo push ya ko udu ko you trading no what you say wo push no abo amount na person eden you trading 2% obo we ya no abo all na e be transfer ni na eden e de aba ho aka chew nti what transfer we me medican transfer 20 USDT e de ko ho okay nze haso ye wo n but yen ko sisi amem chamo kwan am trading na faso ye den e work ha nti e ba home ha ohun ye hu trading pace be bre ha nti me ba BTC okay tubo BTC say be BTC na person will trade long and a short long na chere say o person o bo se coin be koso na short na chere say o bo se coin be bafom okay nti cross and isolated already me can explain into video be as my can video about me explaining na ewo to bit me ko sa video no okay nti me pa me de beto nse haso leverage no for Bitcoin no and so was so kama more now setting leverage na ba high no more na or risk near the eco high more so na se coin na position na position hono eco so a ubenya ska be brave but as nti ye me de 200 nti na ma confirm okay nti se me 19 and a wom no we no trading we no mo charge no from kama nti me bo market price nti me bo market na me person ni open short position it say me open position is a Bitcoin name be perform okay nti say me per market price that's the current market price no for me na me use me available balance me say me use 75% okay nti open short na nti say my open short no nti say me wo plus sorry it's about down okay nti me wo negative okay nti one said work no nti se wonte ade bi ase a wobetimi akoko check me previous video na me about features no beti bibi ase ye ha no omo trading fees na e wo from pa nti se ni me pa me book close me permit me you quick close na advanced close no chere say maybe a over advanced close na wo chere say inclusive amount of cause inclusive plus share amount no so when you plus we into inclusive amount we amount and I say it be do market price na nkasa say be a do limit we ya inclusive and I say market price na nkasa inclusive and I say quick close ni say e hona inclusive instantly inclusive amount about quick close no okay team close no refresh no okay don't say the minya e number be count and say about 19.93 okay nti sisi an maybe my open position na me person me close no wa ha ti say me person me 100 me fa leverage into bia 25x nti me 100 na my open short okay my open short I say enterprise okay me per market price no na my open short open short maybe see no person close na bit member close means honey open tab na e close tuba close in so oba down say ya bit me abo means say wa open shorter and wa han wa open longer and wa han nti me person me close short no bo close short okay to close shorter automatically ne be close in simple omu interface ne very very simple nti no obetimi ati normal bias nti person we choose different trading pairs obo we so trading pairs ne doso e wo hase nti yehu kwan be fa so aye trading ne de keka ho no nti ye ba home ha ye wo airdrop ne like omo running office be pre e wo hase nti uba more your affiliation market also start earning nti omo office be pro hanti obetimi download the Fairdesk no why registration or ho o person your withdrawal no so withdrawal na very simple instant say bia o change your password na I don't know to omo 24 hours and send what me withdraw because for security reasons it say be obi hack your account na o person or withdraw security what some password na e ho na omo ntimi nyeden omo money pa no kwan ma na withdraw nti e be ka mu nyina to say anything maybe protect your account no and oh yes we use Google Authenticator. Google Authenticator is very safer than the SMS and you know what I say more office people how about bit me about more and bit me about more and I say be has no person check your reward center okay to say my commission in case of say what share link my month for bahaya month for bar we 35% of deposit trading do maybe an between percentage there also FedEx has say okay almost supporting na one bonuses na withdraw buy crypto transfer affiliation na FDT mining your FedEx FDT near FedEx mining that's FedEx for more token on FDT mining say what FedEx launches ET0 omo office be pre into ba obetimi akenkan nti we dem dey trini padodo na adwen sise e crypto marketplace bi wa ha e fe ne FedEx nti mo kwa mo meeting aye mo research na mo nkekan na mo hu de e kona ba mo learn more about FedEx mo ko check na mo bisa Google like mo nye more research na mo hu cause obi apeba bi ahwede tade bi basi na mo se hoye kama de a na wa de wa shift to kakra na de ko ho bibi wo video na manka me leave video to description no se de obi abetimi ade atimi atiase yi office bi e wo mbia no wo office bi e wo mbia se de obetimi I enjoy of FedEx obetimi trade of FedEx follow Tech In Twi on Facebook YouTube here subscribe channel the videos be pretty proud and the videos are ho here o kan ha bia wo ya de bia unim ade na wo ye no